Why, hello there and welcome back. Now, it is quite late at night and I was just about to hop into bed when I realised that I am due for some hair maintenance, specifically some hair dusting. If you don't know what hair dusting is, well, you're about to find out. So I am due and I was just going to simply do it and then hop into bed, but instead I thought I would turn it into an episode. That way more people can try it for themselves. I discovered hair dusting through my loved ones. They did it to me growing up and now I do it to myself. It is an essential if you want healthy hair, and as you can see by how shiny my hair is, you can see that this does work. It is I would class it as one of my top tips for healthy hair, and yeah, that's what we're about to do. Now, before we commence with the hair dusting, let me please do a quick demonstration, that way you're not completely lost here. One at a time, take a small strand of hair, comb it thoroughly and wrap it around your finger as you can see me do here. From there you're going to gently run the strand through your fingers. As you do this, you'll notice split ends shall stand up compared to the healthy hair that shall lie flat. Any unhealthy ends that catch your eye, simply snip them off and continue to run the strand through until you may see more and repeat. That's it, now you too have learnt how to hair dust. Anywho, time to pop in some tunes as this may take a while. Here is what I'm listening to tonight. I'll speak with you again near the end to show you the final result. Now let the hair dusting commence. That seems to be all the dusting needed for now, so here is my hair in full as promised. Do pardon my attire, as mentioned in the beginning. I was about to head off to bed in case that wasn't obvious enough by my tired eyes. If you so happen to be watching this late at night, please don't be like me and do get some rest. To those new here, my hair is a little over 40 inches long, and to clarify, this is my hair in its natural state. I shampooed and conditioned my hair in the shower before using a standard hairdryer, and that's it. No glossing serums, straighteners or so on have been used. I hope this episode can help you out too with whatever your hair journey is, and let me know in the comments if you would like more hair related episodes in the future, as I am always questioned on it. It seems we have reached the end of the episode. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe if you enjoyed. Check out my Buy Me a Coffee if you wish to further help support the Grave Raider, and follow my Instagram for more. Thank you very much for joining me in yet another episode, and ta-ta for now.